Hi, my name is Abhijith Radhakrishnan Nambiar, a dynamic planning engineer based in Dubai, focused mainly in project management in steel industry. With a great foundation in mechanical engineering, I am mainly specialized in project management, raw material handling, production scheduling, logistics and dispatch operations within GCC and non-GCC countries. For the past 3 years, I have been working in Dubai for Al Shirawi Group under Oasis Metal Manufacturing LLC. I'm handling various major projects and excelling as key account specialist and vendor management. In my previous job roles at Global Maritime Consultants Group, I was handling sales engineering and marketing on project management and other categories in software testing back in India. My skill sets include handling various software tools and project management capabilities. I'm looking for challenging mid-senior roles as planning engineer, project manager, lead operations, etc. If you have suitable job opportunities for me, please connect with Team RightVows. Thank you.